Quack, quack. Hey, hey, remember me? Huh? Huh? Remember me, Shitbird? Huh? You loved me. You said you loved me. You were so sad when everybody took you away. But then you could have took me. I watched you taking stuff to the car, and they kept saying, "Oh, oh, he's gonna get me next." Yes, he is. But then you didn't, and then I thought, "Yay, yay, yay! He's gonna get me last, so I can sit on his shoulder all the way home to Virginia." Virginia, hold on a second. Oh, pardon me. Pardon me. But you know what? You didn't take. You didn't freaking take me. I didn't get to go. I was so sad. And I just called you nasty bird names. But mostly I called you shitbird. You're a shitbird. That's what you are. You're a shitbird. You said you love me. And now you left me. You left me laying here all by myself. Ah, ah, ah. And then I thought, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? How am I going to live here? I don't know how to live. You didn't even leave me anything. You didn't even leave me no pizza money. And the only bird seed around here is in that old man's head. So I'm going to starve. Starve, I tell you. But anyway, I went to try and find another birdie woman to take care of me. But you know what? They didn't want me. They didn't want me at all. You want to know why they didn't want me? Probably the same reason you don't want me. They don't want me because I got a fucking stick up my ass. I'm sorry, but that's the way it is. So, anyway, I just wanted to say, you're a shitbird, and I don't love you anymore, and you'll never see me again. And that's all I have to say. Okay. I lied. I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you forever. Think of me every time you see a bird eating. I'll be starving, but I'll wait for you. I'll be right here. I love you. Yeah, okay. Me and my stick up my ass will be right here waiting for you. The way you broke my heart. You feathery bastard heartbreaker. Go to hell.